So you want to upload your first YouTube video, quick and easy, follow along with me. From your channel dashboard, go to the upper right, click create. You'll have three options depending on your channel size. Click upload video. You can also go live or create a post in the community tab, just for future reference. Now you can either select a file or drag and drop. Both options work fine. With select a file, find a video, usually on my desktop, I'll grab this Thor 4, open up. It'll import the file and start uploading. This first page is the details, where you can change the title of the movie or add to the description. If you're into Marvel, DC, or Star Wars, consider subscribing to the channel. We also do tutorials on how to make videos just like this and make money online. If you want to add any details to the description, you can add it here. All the stuff that's in this box that pops up are presets that you can find under the settings page in your back office. Here's a custom thumbnail. They'll give you three options, but I recommend a custom. Go into your desktop or whatever you use. I have tutorials on how to use Canva and Thumbnail Blaster. If you want to get into that, it's on my channel. I recommend that. And here you can add to a playlist anything that is relevant or create a new one. Down at the bottom, if you want to add tags, these are great for misspelled words or things that are relevant to your video. I use the tool TubeBuddy. You can grab a link to that in the description. It'll help you find keywords and develop your SEO for your videos and use templates. Next is monetization. If you have 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, it's here. Click on, scroll to the bottom, and now you have to go through a checklist of ad suitability. You can do this yourself. Just scroll to the bottom, select anything that would be relevant to your video. You don't want to lie on this, you can get demonetized. I'll click none of the above and then submit this rating. Quick note on monetization: if you haven't made that 4,000 watch hours, or you have, or you don't have enough subscribers, there are other ways to monetize the affiliate marketing, which I talk about in my channel. Now we'll go to video elements. You can add subtitles and end screen or cards. End screens are easy. I recommend one video best for viewer or a specific video if it's in a playlist, because you can group videos together. But if it's a single video and you're just testing the waters, I recommend clicking best for viewer, and the YouTube algorithm will pick out the video that is most related to this video for that specific viewer. You can add up to, I believe, 20 seconds and adjust when you want it to pop up on the screen to be in line with your call to action. Select that, click save. And then cards. I recommend putting these toward the back third of the video to the last quarter, because if someone clicks on that and clicks away, it could hurt your watch time. So you can add a playlist or a specific video, or just grab something relevant, click save. Now after this, go to the next page, and then it's checks, where they'll check the video. Google will actually go through every single frame of your video and add metadata to it and look for anything that it can tag to your video. So if you have a picture of like a trash can, it'll actually add metadata of a trash can in your video. It's good to not have anything bad in the background of your video, because it will flag the algorithm. It doesn't just pertain to just the thumbnails in your videos, but every single frame in your video. So keep that in mind. Once this process is done, it'll go through an SD, standard definition, and then go to HD. You can either do it private, unlisted, or public. Private, only people that you share it with and have their email and a YouTube account can view it. Unlisted, anyone with the link can view the video. And public is going to be shared out to the world. Click save. Your video will continue to upload. You don't want to close out this tab until it's done. If you wanted to speed up, I suggest closing out any windows that aren't relevant to this, and maybe if you're on Wi-Fi, get closer to your Wi-Fi server. If it's still an issue, you might need to consider upgrading your internet. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. If you want to learn how to upload your Facebook Live videos to YouTube, click the video right here on the screen. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out extra, consider giving a tip and a super thanks. I shout all those people out on my community board.